I have an amazing Target hack, and I feel like no one ever talks about it. I don't know what this is, but Chance knows what it is. Here on sale, $25. It's normally $50.
Is this what you want now?
All right, today we are getting a late start. It is 12:18 on the dot. We have a big project ahead of us. Also, we just kind of want to spend the day in Orlando. We are in Central Florida right now. We're gonna get some lunch today. We are gonna go to some home stores. We're gonna go shopping, Target, at home, pop shelf stores that we don't really have in our area, plus stores that like we also have in our area, but they're bigger here because it's Central Florida. We're gonna find a cute place to get lunch today, and then we are going to clean my best friend's apartment and kind of help her redecorate some areas and just help the space feel better for her. She is a full-time grad student, so when you're going to school 40 plus hours a week, your life gets a little busy and you fall behind on house stuff. So we are catching her up today and we're taking you with us. Okay, I forgot to film because I got excited about the dollar spot. Wait, we got this to hopefully maximize space in the kitchen, some decorative vases. I don't know what this is, but Chance knows what it is. So we're going to put this together at home and play this game. Some bins, there was 3 of them for $5. This watering can is half off. It's technically for kids, but it's gonna be fine. We have C for Cintron, and then these are gonna be for her kitchen.
Focus on myself. This is what I want.
So Chance and I at our back home Target found this in the Opal House or Hearth and Home, the home section. And it's for like wooden logs, but we were like, we have so many blankets, it'd be so cool. And we got it here on sale, $25. It's normally $50, which is crazy. I'm currently reading this series. I'm on the 3rd book. Okay, the music's really loud here, but I couldn't help but notice this book. It says Broke Millennial Talks Money, and then it has 20% off. And I was like, okay, they know their clientele. Good marketing. I have an amazing Target hack, and I feel like no one ever talks about it, but I have to show you guys. So when you're at Target, and you know how there's like those main aisles that you walk down and there's aisles on either side. So for example, right, on either side, you go down one of those aisles, right? Like where Chance is right now. And at the inside of the aisles, there's going to be aisle caps. So not the outside aisle caps, the inside aisle caps. You wanna look for the aisle caps that have the big yellow clearance signs. Then go to those aisles and then see if there's anything that you might want from those clearance sections if you're looking for really good deals. That is exactly how Chance and I found that basket for our blankets. First store, I think we're done. This is what we have in our cart so far. It's pretty full, and let's go to the next one. So we got really lucky because there's Five Below, Bath & Body Works, and then TJ Maxx, all right next to each other. Let's go. Alright, we didn't get much, but we have towels, and these are actually to redo a dress that we did. Oh, we did a lot of damage at Bath & Body Works.
Rice and Beans, Cocina Latina, looks good. Their cocktails look good. Their food looks really nice. Not gonna lie, I feel bougie. I wanna go like a 3.
Alright, let's go to a 3.
I'm watching it.
Happy. So we are back. We're gonna start cleaning in a 3-phase cleaning method. It's actually an 8-step process by But First Coffee, which is like a YouTube channel here. However, I really just like to focus on the top 3 because the rest kind of get muddy for me in my cleaning process. But the first phase is to go through and collect trash. The second phase is to put furniture back or big items back where they belong, even if that big item is like a big cardboard box from your package, or whether it's like an ottoman or a chair or something like that. And the third phase is to go ahead and clear all flat surfaces, so we're gonna start there.
This is the point in the video where you're going to be getting lots of cleaning motivation. We have so much cleaning going on, so if you have any big projects that you've been meaning to tackle, now is the time to get up and start cleaning with me, because this is where all the motivation kicks in. You know what inspires motivation is action, and that is what we're taking here right now. At the risk of sounding like a really big cleaning nerd, this is actually my favorite part, which is vacuuming the couch. I don't know why, but this has always been one of my most favorite chores to do. What is your guys' favorite thing to do around the house? Like, I can't imagine anyone possibly enjoying doing dishes, but who knows, someone might really hate vacuuming their couch and think I'm the weirdo. So you tell me in the comments.
Reel me in to get it going, open me up. Sweet talking like you mean it, but you're making it so complicated. I fucking hate it. Every time I get too close, you push me away. Don't wanna stay, telling me you don't want any obligations, and how you hate them. Don't call me just 'cause you're lonely.
Alright, so we're in her closet here, and to kind of help her with some storage space here, we are hanging nails in the wall right there, and then hanging some Disney ears, because she lives in Orlando, so she goes to Disney a lot. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then over here on this wall there's empty space that they can use up, so we're gonna do some nails and hooks to hang her Loungefly bags.
Sleepless, you're making me sleepless. Yeah. I keep losing in this game of playing pretend. I don't wanna be a 4 a.m.
Alright, so doing that project probably took us maybe 3 minutes tops, and the bright side of doing all that and using that vertical space is now she has another shelf available. We can add bins and store more stuff right here. Sophia had these really awesome gray bins in her utility closet, and this has miscellaneous items that we all have. However, I don't want to repurchase things that we already have really good bins for. So what I am doing is I'm just taking better stock of what boxes and storage containers we use for what. So these, we're going to switch out and use these more in her pantry because they have an open top. It'll be easy to grab and go in the pantry. And then these we got at Target. It's a pack of 5. They're pretty sturdy, and I think they were $8, which is a really good deal for a container with a lid, and they're a pretty decent size as well. And the good thing about doing these, we'll be able to stack them on the top of each other in the closet, so then we're utilizing even more vertical space within those shelving units.
Don't call me just 'cause you're lonely. You know you're killing me slowly.
This is now the space. Not only did we create more space here, but we have all of these are now uniform. Those were able to stack up there, and this is everything that has like their tool stuff in it. So it's right next to the tool stuff, and she has plenty of space if she needs to put things on top of there or in this empty space. And if you have a Cricut or a label maker, feel free to put labels on all of these. We might do that tomorrow if I find any cool labels at the Dollar Tree.
I don't care where the motor stops, 'cause when I want it, then I want it, yeah, I want it, oh, I want it, let's go. Look around, where's the people at? I want a taste of the good life, hit me with it, right now I'm in it. 'Cause when I want it, then I want it, yeah, I want it, oh, I want it, let's go. And I won't look back, yeah.
Alright, it is 2 days later. We have had a wild 48 hours, but I'm going to stay focused in the kitchen because we're only here for another day or so. So I'm going to show you the kitchen and the befores. We are going to take off her backsplash. We're going to redo it. I have some storage solutions, and we're going to basically give this kitchen a little mini makeover just so it's more functional. So like a functional makeover.
Here is her before of the kitchen, and as you all can easily see, there is too many things and not enough counter space. This is just such a small kitchen, so we are gonna have to get creative with how we tackle this.
It's 2 a.m. when we close the bar, but we're in the get-go. Next place, give me some more. I could dance with you beneath the stars, 'cause when I want it, then I want it, yeah, I want you. Everything stops when you move like that, and I wanna get in close to you. It's what I'm gonna do, 'cause right now I'm in it. I feel kinda dizzy when I'm staring at you, and I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Maybe I don't have to know stops when you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move like that, and I wanna get in close to you.
Can I just say that on top of this kitchen already being small, I have to put my heart out there for Sophia because personally, I hate these kinds of stoves. I don't know if you've ever had a coil top stove like this, but oh my goodness, they scare me. They make cracking noises if you try cooking on them, and honestly, they are so hard to clean if you spill anything. I am so grateful to now have a glass stove top, and I pray and hope for every one of you to also never have to deal with these coils.
Addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here.
Alright, so back here we have this steel and stick tile that needs to go. I will show a quick clip of like when we did it last year, but otherwise it's had its time, it served its purpose, and now we're gonna try and do it better.
I should take my time. Used to have forever, but you never cared that much. Just tell me why I should give you more than a goodbye, baby. Why?
Here we are just trying to decide if we like the pattern of this peel and stick wallpaper in its horizontal form or vertical form, and ultimately we did end up going with the vertical look.
Do it again and we won't end up as friends. Do it again, do it again, do it again. I trusted you once, but I won't do that again. After 30 seconds, if you wanna pick your price, don't ask for forgiveness, 'cause you know I'm not that type. You know you had me good, but now I can't look into your eyes. Oh baby, just tell me why I should.
Going backwards a little bit, I did end up finding labels for those bins in her utility closet, so I am just going to start filling these out so we can get those nice and labeled.
Tell me why you won't do it again.
There is so much more left of this functional makeover, so make sure you come back next week. I have part 3 of my best friend's apartment series. That'll be where you can see our backsplash reveal and the final look of this place, and we do add some new touches to the rest of the apartment, so make sure you come back for that and to see how we use all the different home decor that we picked up at the beginning of this video.